In front of me is iPhone 16i, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Passwords app and entering your passkey. Now select Passkeys or all over here and find your passwords you wish to edit. When you're ready, hit edit at the top right corner and change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!